What's up, Team FULLEST? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up My Canal. So today I'm here to do a hair treatment mask on my daughter's hair. I'm going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil, Shea Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and repair treatment mask. This is what I'm going to be using today. So what you need to, what I'm using is the hair mask, a bottle of water, a cap, a plastic bag, and a tooth comb, a wild tooth comb. I have already detangled the hair, so it makes process easy. So let's get started. So today is a hair day, so I've already detangled her hair because I always like to detangle the kid's hair before ever I'm washing or styling. I like to detangle the hair before ever I put any product. So the hair is detangled. I use wild tooth comb and a bottle of water. This is not a water from the tap. It's a bottle of water that I purchased from the store because I feel like the tap water has so much chemical. I feel like it just, I don't know, I just don't like the way it feels whenever I spray tap water on the hair. So that's the reason why I'm using bottled water. So I've already washed the hair. The hair is clean. I don't use shampoos on my kids' hair all the time. If I'm drying, I don't use shampoo on my kids' hair all the time, so I mostly do conditioner. I wash most times with conditioner, and except if I have like a lot of product on the hair, that is when I will use shampoo. So I first want to damp the hair, and then after the hair is properly damp, so after the hair is properly damp, I'm going to separate the hair into two. Then it's much more easier for me to apply the product. So today Aliyah is free from school. They have study doc. The teachers have to go to school. That's how I called it. So she's home, and then so when she's home, I thought let's just do some hair treatment on your hair. So now that I've got this, the hair is totally detangled. You guys can see it's detangle. So now I don't need to detangle the hair. I'm just going to take the Jamaican black castor oil treatment mask. This is what it looks like. Het ruikt lekker, right, ma? So now I'm going to take the mask and then I'm going to first start on the top and then work my way down to the roots. And as you're doing this, you can also easily finger detangle. Let's just do quick finger detangle on her hair. Also, what I did, I didn't show you guys that process, but when I was detangling it, I put some oils, some of my hair growth oil on the scalp, and I massage it, and then I went ahead and detangle, because sometimes when you massage the hair, it's kind of not clumped together. So I like to put the hair, so I put the hair growth oil and then I massage everything and then I detangle. So now I'm going with the product again, and I'm going to leave this on for, sometimes I leave it on for 30 minutes, 1 hour, and then I'll go ahead and wash out. I don't know if I still have that. No, I don't have that video because I remember my phone had some issues and all of my videos were deleted. But her hair, this part of her hair, like these are all new growths. Like she didn't have any hair. I don't know. I braid her hair with this box braid, and she was pulling it, and then the hair just come out. If I have a picture, I will put it for you guys on the screen. And then that is when I was like, let me start using my hair growth treatment on her hair to see if it will grow. And you guys can see this side is grown. Like this is all new growth. I was using my oils and the hair has grown. So now I don't really do like box braid on her hair anymore. Um, because not that the box braid weighs her hair. It's just that she always wants to like touch the hair and flip the hair around and let her friends in school play with the hair. So the box though, because her hair is very very soft, and yeah, so they end up pulling the braids, and then she was having a ball spot. I was so mad. But then I was like, okay, we're not gonna do box braid anymore till you're old enough to understand that it's not meant to be playing with it. It's not meant for your friends to be playing with your hair at school and giving you bald spots on your head. So now I just put the hair into like puffs and just leave it like that. So I like to focus more on the ends as well, because sometimes the ends is the oldest part of the hair. So you really want to pay also attention and make sure the hair is good. So now that we've done that side, I'm going to take the bottle of water and just to make sure the hair is damp, because I didn't wash the hair today, but the hair was already washed during the week. So just to make sure the hair is damp, that's the reason why. If I'm that's the reason why I'm soaking the hair again, so that it's easy to apply the product into the hair. So as I'm doing this, I'm also trying to do like a little bit of finger detangling, even though the hair is already detangled, but I just like to go again extra. And then I just like to get in between. Sometimes I do make my own DIY hair mask, and sometimes when I'm on my lazy days, not lazy days, but like I do have other things planned and I don't have time to be doing hair mask, I always buy like this hair mask from Shea Moisture, and sometimes I also buy some products from TK Maxx if you live in the Netherlands. I pick up some few hair masks there, and I always have those standby in case I'm not in the mood to make my own DIY, and I will use the ones I have at home. And then there are some days I will make my own DIY hair mask, which is also very very good. So just apply the product. For me, I use a lot of products. I don't know, whenever I do my kids hair, it's like I use a lot of product on the kids hair. I use a lot of product, so maybe for you a little bit go a long way, but for me I really want the hair to soak in with the products and make sure there's enough products on her hair. So I'm gonna take a little bit of product. I'm gonna focus more on the ends. Now we get everything. See how long her hair is? It's like I've cut her hair like twice. Like when she was little, she didn't like to do the hair, so I always cut her hair. I always, like, if you follow me on this channel, on AMIFULLEST, my main channel, you know I always cut this girl hair because she didn't like. But now when she see the younger sister with the long hair, and she was like, okay, now I want to grow my hair. Her hair grows really fast, but just that she don't like to do the hair, so I always cut the hair. But now it's like seeing the younger sister with a long beautiful hair, she's also like inspired to grow the hair out. So I'm kind of excited, because I don't know, like sometimes I'm like, when I have girls, I'll do my girls hair, but then I have children who don't like me to do their hair. Like my kids, my girls don't like me to do their hair. It's like, yeah. So now that I've made sure the hair is covered with products, I'm just going to twist it like this. Make sure everywhere. Just put it. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my hands. And then I'm going to take this plastic bag. This is just, I have this heating cap which you can put over, and like It's like a blow dryer, but it's for steaming. But that one can be a little bit uncomfortable for the kids, so I don't use it on the kids' hair, and they don't like it actually. Can be a little bit uncomfortable, so I don't use it. So that's the reason why I go with the plastic method, and I just put like plastic bag, maybe a little bit, yep, and then I go in again with the cap just for extra warm. And yeah, you guys can see when I open the product, this is how much I use. I'm already half of the container, and I'm going to do my other daughter's hair, but that one, she's at the daycare. She's not free today. This one was free today, so she's home, and I sent the other one to the daycare because I'm like, I want to have a peace of mind. Having both of them at home can be a little bit stressful. So yeah, so this is it, and we're gonna leave. You can leave this one on the instruction said here. You can leave it 30 minutes. Yeah, I don't even have my glasses on. I can't even read. Yeah, 30 minutes. You can leave it on for 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour because now I have things to do around the house. So I'm using this opportunity, leave it on the head, and then whilst I go ahead and do my things like cooking, cleaning, doing other things, and by the time I'm done, it's maybe 1 or 2 hours later. And then I'll wash the hair, put some moisturizer, put some oil, massage the head with some oils, and put some moisturizer, style it again for the weekend. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. TeamFullest, peace out. Dag.
Dag.
Bye guys.